Welcome to OWN Product Picks, your home for the latest camera reviews, action gear, and tech that keeps up with your adventures. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best GoPro cameras in 2025. Whether you're into extreme sports, travel vlogging, or just capturing epic moments in stunning 4K, this list has something for you. From groundbreaking stabilization to powerful AI features and ultra-durable builds, GoPro has pushed the limits again this year, and we're breaking down the models that truly stand out. Flex biceps. Whether you're a pro content creator or just love documenting your life, these are the best GoPro cameras you can get your hands on in 2025. So make sure to like, subscribe, and let's dive straight into the action. Number 5. GoPro Hero12 Black. The GoPro Hero12 Black is a powerful upgrade in the action camera world, delivering impressive video quality and stabilization in a compact, rugged design. It features a new 1/1.9 sensor and captures up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 27MP photos with a unique 8:7 aspect ratio, ideal for cropping vertical, square, or widescreen content. With GoPro's HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization, footage remains incredibly steady, even in high-action scenarios like biking, skiing, or surfing. The inclusion of the Enduro battery also boosts performance in cold temperatures, extending usability in extreme environments. What makes the Hero11 truly stand out is its user experience. It offers both simplified easy controls for beginners and full pro settings for advanced users, along with creative tools like light painting and star trails. While it performs well in most conditions, low-light video still lags behind larger cameras, and some users report overheating during extended 5.3K recordings. Still, for adventurers, content creators, and vloggers, the Hero11 Black delivers a near-perfect balance of durability, versatility, and cutting-edge features, making it one of the best all-around action cameras on the market. Number 4. GoPro Hero7 Black. The GoPro Hero7 Black remains a standout action camera, especially for those seeking stabilized, high-quality footage in a compact form. Its biggest innovation is HyperSmooth stabilization, which delivers gimbal-like smoothness without any external gear, ideal for high-intensity activities like biking, skiing, or vlogging on the go. The camera shoots in 4K at 60 frames per second, with excellent dynamic range and crisp detail. It's also waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a case, making it perfect for underwater adventures or rainy conditions. Voice control, intuitive touchscreen navigation, and live streaming capabilities further enhance its appeal to both casual users and content creators. While the Hero7 Black has since been surpassed by newer models, it still holds up well for its price. Battery life can be a limiting factor, especially when shooting in higher resolutions, and the audio quality, though improved, isn't as strong as that of more recent versions. However, its robust build, reliable performance, and excellent video stabilization make it a great choice for budget-conscious users who still want top-tier footage. For anyone starting out with action cameras or needing a reliable backup, the GoPro Hero7 Black is a smart and well-rounded pick. Number 3. GoPro Hero13 Black. The GoPro Hero13 Black continues GoPro's tradition of delivering top-tier action cameras with impressive performance and cutting-edge features. It boasts an upgraded sensor capable of capturing stunning 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and crisp 27MP stills, offering unmatched clarity and detail in every shot. The new generation HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization keeps footage incredibly steady, even during intense activities like mountain biking or snowboarding, making it ideal for action sports enthusiasts and vloggers alike. The camera also supports HDR video and improved low-light performance, ensuring quality visuals in almost any environment. What sets the Hero13 Black apart is its versatility and ease of use. It features a front-facing screen for easy framing, voice control, and quick settings presets, allowing for a seamless shooting experience. The durable waterproof build, up to 33 feet without a case, and enhanced battery life make it a dependable companion for outdoor adventures. While the price may be on the higher side, the Hero13 Black justifies it with pro-level performance and feature-rich functionality, making it one of the best all-around action cameras on the market. Number 2. GoPro Hero10 Black. The GoPro Hero10 Black is a powerful action camera that builds on the success of its predecessors with major performance upgrades. At the heart of the Hero10 is the GP2 processor, which delivers smoother operation, faster startup, and the ability to shoot 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, ideal for capturing ultra-detailed, high frame rate footage. The camera also features improved HyperSmooth 4.0 stabilization, which delivers gimbal-like smoothness even in the most intense action scenarios. Whether you're skiing, mountain biking, or vlogging, the footage looks crisp, vibrant, and incredibly stable. The Hero 10 retains the familiar rugged, waterproof design, up to 33 feet/10 m, and front-facing display introduced in the Hero 9, making it great for both selfie recording and mounting in tight spots. While battery life is still a concern under heavy usage, especially at higher resolutions, it's manageable with spare batteries or a power bank. The upgraded UI feels snappier, and features like horizon leveling, Time Warp 3.0, and Cloud Auto Upload add convenience for creators. Overall, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is a top-tier action cam offering excellent video quality, next-gen performance, and reliability for adventure seekers and content creators alike. Number 1 GoPro Hero12 Black. The GoPro Hero12 Black continues the brand's legacy of rugged high-performance action cameras with notable upgrades in battery life, video stabilization, and pro-level features. It shoots up to 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, offering crisp, vibrant footage with improved dynamic range. GoPro's Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization makes even the most intense action scenes buttery smooth, and the addition of log encoding and timecode sync makes it a compelling tool for creators who want more control in post-production. Its compact, waterproof design, up to 33 feet/10 m, remains ideal for everything from vlogging to mountain biking and diving. A standout feature of the Hero 12 is its improved power efficiency, which provides up to 2x longer runtime compared to its predecessor, great for extended shoots. It also introduces Bluetooth audio support, letting users connect wireless mics or earbuds for cleaner audio capture. However, there's no built-in GPS this time around, and many users may not fully utilize the more professional tools. Still, the Hero 12 Black strikes a great balance between user-friendly ease and advanced capability, making it one of the best all-around action cameras on the market today for both casual users and content creators. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.